Go to the next verse. Interestingly, he said, but the seed that falls into good soil stands for those who hears the word, understands it, and bear fruit. They hear the word, they understand it, they bear fruit in 100-fold, in a 60-fold, in a 30-fold. Go to my language. Let me point out something very interesting. He said, "Now they will go Asaase pem, Asaase pa." This is another group of asorema. Number one. Number two, you were abuoso asorema. Number three, you were kasemu asorema. And then you were Asaase pa emu asorema. Question. Now I'm asking a good question. West Side Christians. Number two, stony places believers. Number three, he is asking a good question. Yeah. Thorns and can say. Number four, that group is this one. Yeah, good grounds or good soil. Asaase pa. The same. Be offended because you treat our pictures and you're trying to Facebook. Be offended. Make us sorry about once a move. Be offended. I sorry about me about sorry about the catchness of so pillow. So from funny dying and I sorry dying. I'm going to go see how I'm alone. Oh, you haven't seen it? I have seen it. I have seen it. As of why you know the one on the mob no atam the fear paper no the mano. I sorry but me huriko jina abra wa jiska na we and refuses to pay the loan. I sorry ma, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I will never be shocked when we appear in heaven and most of us don't appear. I won't be shocked. And the yani sunwa, I'm telling you, many of them is wayside and quenching, yeah, abuoso, stony places, yeah, and kasemo tongues, and then good soil or grounds. Good soil or grounds. If Jesus enter into this service this morning, which group will you be rated in? It's very easy for you to say that I'm a good soil or ground. It's very easy.